Dear, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to fix TikTok privacy setting. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, how to fix TikTok privacy setting if you are not getting your privacy setting visible all icons, then first of all you have to update it your TikTok. Still you are not getting, then you have to click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Click on here clear free up space and clear all cache it from here. Then you will resolve this problem and you will get all the options under privacy setting. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.